In the very beginning, there was nothing. No light, no sky, no land, and no life. Just darkness. But then, something extraordinary happened. God spoke, and with his words, the universe began to take shape. God said, "Let there be light," and light appeared, shining through the darkness. God saw that the light was good, and he separated it from the darkness. He called the light day and the darkness night. That was the very first day. On the second day, God created the sky, stretching it high above the earth like a great canopy. He made space between the waters below and the sky above. On the third day, God gathered the waters together to form oceans, lakes, and rivers. Then he made dry land appear and called it earth. But God wasn't finished yet. Oh no. He spoke again, and the earth began to bloom with grass, trees, flowers, and fruits. The world was starting to come alive. On the fourth day, God created the sun to light up the day and the moon to brighten the night. He also filled the sky with countless stars, each one shining like a tiny jewel in the darkness. On the fifth day, God filled the sky with birds of every kind, eagles, doves, parrots, and more. Then he filled the oceans with life, fish, whales, dolphins, and all kinds of sea creatures. God looked at what he had made, and he saw that it was good. On the sixth day, God created animals to live on the land, big and small, wild and tame. God had one more creation to make, something very special. God created the first human, a man named Adam, and breathed life into him. Then, to give Adam a companion, God made a woman named Eve. God placed Adam and Eve in a beautiful garden called the Garden of Eden. It was a perfect place filled with rivers, fruit trees, and animals. God gave them the responsibility to care for the garden and enjoy everything in it. On the seventh day, God had finished his creation. He looked at everything he had made, the sky, the land, the sea, the animals, and Adam and Eve, and he saw that it was very good. So, on the seventh day, God rested, and he blessed that day as a holy day of rest. The story of creation reminds us of how powerful and creative God is. It shows us that everything in the world has a purpose and was made with care, from the smallest flower to the stars in the sky. It's all part of God's beautiful design. And that is how the world began.